Hello everyone and welcome back to Yuvan's Tech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to log into iCloud. It is a very simple and easy step, so stick with me till the end and you will be good to go. So first of all you have to do is open a web browser of your choice. And here what you have to do is simply go to iCloud.com. You have to go to iCloud.com and you will be sent to the home page like this. Now all you have to do is simply tap on the black button that is sign in. Simply tap on the sign in button and now you will be seeing something like this. Wait for it till it loads and you will be asked to keep your email address or your phone number. Now right here what you have to do is simply type your email address or your phone number, and after that simply tap on the arrow button right beside it. After that you will be asked your password, and then you just have to keep your password, type your password, and after that you will be ready to be logged into your iCloud. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.